Hold up. Drip team in this thing. Hold up, y'all. Oh, who that is? That a drip squad? Hey, yo, what it do, YouTube? Oh, God. I ain't like to show that. It's your boy, Big Q-Tip with the drip. Tuning in with another freaking video. Oh, we back at it, YouTube, with another video. Today we're gonna be working on our second restoration, man. We're doing these white cement foils, a full restoration on them. As you can tell, they are super beat. They are super beat. As you all know, man, a little bit of drip sauce, a little bit of English this, a little bit of English that. I'm gonna bring these shoes back to fresh out the box. But first, before I start doing my restoration, I will clean these shoes down. I'm gonna give you the little process of what I do. I break it down, I clean them down. You know, a little bit of drip sauce, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Strip them down, then I prepare them with English leather prepare and deglazer. And what that would do, that would strip all this factory paint off of it. Strip it all the way down. It's gonna look white almost. Strip all that down, then I clean it again, and then I put that white on there, the whole shoe. White English paint. Always stick to English paint, the best paint out there. I know people may say it's a little expensive, but you get your money's worth. I also be using English black. I also have English gray, and I also got the Too Soft. And the Too Soft is used when you're using like fabric material, like M&M's, Ultra Boost, Yeezys, also inner soles of any shoes you have. As you can see there, they're kind of brown, yellow, and black. So I was like, man, instead of me just trying to clean that down, I'm just gonna do a full restoration. I'm just gonna bring that back white, the whole inside. I'm gonna de-yellow this with a little bit of sauce and bring these things back new, man. I think that's enough talking, man. Let's go and get started on the video. Oskiade. Alright, so we done finished our deep cleaning process. So next step we're gonna do is our deglazing process. We'll be using, as I said before, the English deglazer and prepare, I believe. The leather deglazer and prepare. But first off, I want to start by taping around what I'm gonna deglaze at first. I would deglaze the whole shoe right now, but I'm gonna focus on the gray first, and then I'm gonna work my way on the white part. Cause once the gray hits the white, I could just, you know what I'm saying, shake that off with the deglazer and then repaint over that. So right now I'm gonna focus on getting the gray out the way. Maybe, matter of fact, I'm just gonna deglaze the whole shoe at once, man. Hey, kill two birds with one stone. Let's go.
I'm stuck in the trap. I'm stuck in the trap. I'm stuck in the trap. Yeah, I'm stuck in the trap. 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 Yeah, I'm stuck in the trap. I'm stuck in the trap. Hey, somebody give me some hope. My family don't show me the ropes. Had to go give me some dope. Paranoid by the folks. Got me smoking hella poke. I don't have no friends. I don't even fuck with them folks. Man, them haters some jokes. Hate them niggas by a rope. Why them niggas out of scope? Ray-Bans on my lower. Speak my name, hope choke. Wanna disrespect, you a hoe. They I'm running up with a bow. Round city, I'm solo. Money on my mind for a hobo. Nigga, yo, clown, yo, bobo, y'all. Rockin' collar shirt, yo, polo, y'all. Name 4-5, this fofo, y'all. Now I don't bang, but you know though, y'all. Y'all niggas slow like K-Roll, y'all. Give a nigga shot with a halo, y'all. Give a nigga credit, but a pay though, y'all. Hey, yo, I'm stuck in the trap, yo. I'm stuck in the trap, I'm stuck in the trap, yo. I'm stuck in the trap, yo. Hey, yo, I'm stuck in the trap, yo. I'm stuck in the trap, I'm stuck in the trap, yo. I'm stuck in the trap.
Alright, man, we done got the midsole stripped down. As you can see, stripped all that factory. Hold on, let me get the focus. Come on, focus. So we done stripped all that factory paint off the entire shoe, except for this right here. I'm gonna do that last. And stripped it all off. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape off the bottom part, and go ahead and repaint the midsole first, because I feel like when I repaint it, some of it may get on the entire shoe, and I don't feel like doing all the extra stuff. So I'm gonna get started on this midsole. For the midsole, I will start off by preparing it with the flat white. I will use the white just to get an extra coat on it. Like, more coats you put, but make sure you put light coats. But the more coats you put, it'll be better on, like, so if it's scraped, the paint won't come off. It'll be better quality for it. That's, I mean, just what I think, man. I'm not going off no professional. This is what I believe, and it been working though. I've been trying my scrape test. The paint won't come off as easily. It just, man, this is a drip thought of mine, man. Drip thought of mine. Let's get started on this midsole, man.
Roll this sticky gas, wanna try, no, she not the same, bitch, you lied, bitch, you fired, get my shit together, fly her down the fella, Oskiade fella, I'm scribing to be better, get me no Pirella, I smoke her and I sell her, I'm a lion though, hanging with gorillas, what the money, bro, I say fuck the fame, I gotta get this money, man, I'm out the dollar, man, fuck 'em, man, they all the same, I'm stuck in the trap, gotta get it, man, I'm stuck in the trap, 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 I'm stuck in the trap.